Okay, I wanted to get this episode out earlier, but bear with me. There was a problem with UPS. Apparently people were getting empty boxes. Maybe that almost happened to me. There was a delay and it took 3 days longer to get the phone than I originally planned. But we're back now. And since all these cool people like Jonathan Morrison and The Verge are doing these freaking cool intro sequences for their iPhone reviews, I figured I'd take a crack at it myself. Let's roll that tape.
The iPhone 11 Pro. It's got gloss. It's got glass. It's got a screen. And it's got 3 cameras on the back. Come on, buy it.
All right, let's take a look at this guy. Hey guys, how you all doing? Really, that's just great. You know, I'm doing pretty great today too because the frickin' iPhone is finally here. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. Space gray, 256 gigabyte. Time to upgrade from my iPhone 7 after 3 friggin' years. So we're gonna unbox it, set it up, and take a look at it, see how it works with iOS 13, and just experiment with it for a bit, but stick around for a future tech video log where I pit the camera against an actual pro, almost pro level DSLR. We'll see how good the camera really stacks up, but that's gonna be an episode in and of itself. For now, we'll have some fun just with the phone. We won't worry about comparisons or about pissing contests. We'll just have fun with the phone for the sake of having fun with the phone. So, thanks to Apple's easy to remove Klingon material, whatever that really is, we were able to open up the box with ease. Ooh, a little bit of a bevel there. Yeah, where the camera is, you got a little bit of a bevel. Very nice. Very black. Here we go. Look at that. That's pro. That just screams pro. Actually, I don't know if that screams pro. But yeah, so I have not felt this new design before. They've done glass backs before, but they've never done a matte finish glass back. Huh. That feels kind of nice. Whoa. There she is. That is pretty. There's the triple camera system there. That back is clean. Not even the word iPhone, just the Apple logo. No regulatory marks because screw you, government. And no iPhone name. Just a simple Apple. What a simple back design. That is pretty. So now we have to do the part. That's probably the best part. It's kind of a catch-22 because it's like, oh, this is the best part. We get to peel the film off the glass. But it's also like, okay, you're removing the condom unit now. Now it's exposed to all of these potential damages. So I don't use a case with my phones anyway. I'm just careful. So I think we'll be okay. Okay, here we go. You ready for that? Oh, it's stuck. Get off. Oh, sorry, I'm allergic to stupid things. Wow, that feels really freaking good in my hand. I was concerned it might be like kind of slippery or something, but wow, that feels amazing. It doesn't feel too big, doesn't feel too small. Okay, let's boot her up. Let's try that again. Let's boot her up. Let's try that again. Let's boot her up. Is the battery dead? Is the battery dead? After being held in Louisville, you know, maybe the battery. Oh, hey, shit, there it is. Okay, no battery's dead. We might be okay here. Here we go. You just had to hold it down for a longer period of time, I guess. My bad. Yeah, this is my first phone with an OLED display. This is the Super Retina XDR Pro 3000 SUX 9000 FF Class 32-bit Home and Student Edition screen. It's like wicked crazy, full of marketing things. I've never had a screen like this, not even just a regular type of OLED screen for any phone. So this is a first for me. The contrast ratio is like, what, 2 million to 1? It's, holy shit, my, my desk. Sorry, the desk just wanted to like sink into the floor. Guess this phone is just too awesome. It cannot handle its weight. I can tell the True Tone is already kicking in. So the True Tone adjusts the screen based on the ambient lighting around you. I can tell it's kicking in the layer here. It definitely has more of a warm look, but when I angle it, it looks more blue. Phone, you're great. We'll get back to you just in a sec. You know, I'm gonna set you right there, just so you don't feel all left out. We're gonna get back to the rest of this stuff. Designed by Apple in California. That's a surprise. I don't think they moved recently. Hey, they're still doing the stickers. Side button gestures and combinations, swipe up to go home. Yeah, I might have to get used to the gestures and the button on this one because it's quite a bit different than my 7. There's no home button anymore, but that's okay, whatever, we can get used to that. Oh, this is the little SIM card tool, yes. So we have the lightning ear pods that to be honest, I don't use these. I don't like sticking things in my ears. I like having comfortable circumaural, fancy word, circumaural headphones on my big fat head. And yeah, and they feel more comfortable. So I don't know if I'll use these. Probably just give them away to somebody. There's the lightning cable, charge and sync, unless you know, sync. I mean, you don't really sync anymore. You just go to the cloud, right? That is a big boy. Wow. I think it's 18 watts. I can't, it should say on here. Let's just unwrap it. And all that is left inside is hope. That is the end of that. Beautiful box. I will be keeping that, because you never know. I may have to sell this thing. Maybe it'll suck in 2 weeks. Back to this boy. Oh, yes, that's right. You tap the screen to wake it up. You can see how out of date I am. Oh yeah, raised awake is also a thing. Oh my gosh, I'm so used to all of the manual steps. You know, the good old slide to unlock days? Yeah. Raise and wake. Shit. Let's get this guy set up. So I know, hey, there it is. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Set up new iPhone. It makes it that frickin' simple. So I'm just gonna hit unlock to continue and type in my super secure fingerprint. So swipe up. There we go, waiting for other iPhone. Okay. It says position the pattern in a circle, but it is doing jack shit. I've done this before and it's worked just fine. But of course, now that you're watching, you assholes, it doesn't work. I'm just gonna start the process over. Oh shit, it got it immediately that time. Even with a glare on the screen. Finish on new iPhone. And just for shits and giggles, here's what the other one is doing. They make it pretty easy. Face ID! Oh! That's gonna be tricky with how I'm presenting this to you right now because I'm like way over here. Oh, that's gonna be fun. There we go, I'm using my other iPhone to film my other iPhone. This is gonna be very hard to frame. This is a challenge. If I do it from here, maybe we'll be good. Follow the arrow. All right, take in my beautiful face, world. For the people who say my face is too round, look at this. My face is in a circle right now, and it doesn't match the circle perfectly. So F you, go back to elementary school and learn your geometric shapes, bitch. Piece of cake. Okay, we're gonna restore from an iCloud backup. Oh, yes, I gotta sign in now. Let me just type in my incredibly long password. This part was easy. That was pretty simple. Choose a backup. Okay. Today at 6:25 a.m., latest iPhone backup, that was Ken's iPhone 7. Yeah, that seems pretty good there. Keep your iPhone up to date. Install updates manually. I'll just say continue. I'm sure you need that. Location services, yes. You're 10 stories underground. Wow, congratulations, asshole. Okay, didn't I say yes? Go ahead. Don't be shy. Go. There you go. Apple Pay seems cool, but I don't have anything ready for that yet. So Siri can go suck a duck, so you can go away. Share with Apple? No, thank you. I may complain about bugs, but I'm not going to share information to help you fix them. Ha 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 ha. And there we are. Look at that. Restore from iCloud. Time remaining. Estimating. I just want to say, I'm probably going to do a rant-style video on this topic later, but since we're all here and we're all friends, right? I'm just going to talk about this right now. Back your shit up. I can't even begin to describe how many people come to me saying, I desperately need to get the data off my phone, but the screen is burned to a crisp and the battery fell into a volcano. I'm like, come on. First of all, what the frick are you doing by a volcano? And secondly, back your shit up. Seriously, iCloud backup, it's cheap and easy. It just works. It's great. I'm not saying it's perfect for everybody, but it's been great for me. If you don't want to use the cloud, you can still back up over a physical lightning cable to your computer. At least do that once a day, or use the iCloud backup. Have your shit backed up. Now, I don't want to jinx myself because the Krazy Ken curse is real and he knows how to shit up. But I've had this phone for 3 years and I've never had a case on it. Looks fine, right? Maybe I'm just careful. Maybe I'm just lucky. but I don't want to jinx it. Anyway, rant over. We have about 9 minutes remaining on the restoration from iCloud. So in the meantime, this is the time to eat some soba, or whatever food is good for your health and local to your region and culture. All right, let's see. Hello, it is done. Swipe up. Face ID. Okay, so that is normally the time I would put my face into the phone, but my face is kind of over that way. Restore completed. Your iPhone was restored successfully. There are just a few more steps to follow, and then you're done. Well, that's just fan-fluffin-tastic. Go home. Oh, okay. Was it something I said? Jeez. I kind of am home. I live underground. So, yes, swipe up to do the thing, continue, switch between apps, do the gesture, yep, got that. Quickly access controls, got that. Welcome to iPhone. And here we go. Bon appetit. And we're getting emails already. And yes, I need to verify, I guess, something again. Oh, okay, another thing. Okay, now it's prompting me to type in a bunch of passwords. Fine, I'll do that for you if it makes you happy. It just keeps prompting you when you set it up for the first time, like, do this, type this in, and then like while you're trying to type it in, like more prompts are popping up, like, whoa, Apple, you can fix that, right? Because that's kind of stupid. And there we go, my beautiful Chicago wallpaper looks stunning on the Super Retina Pro XDR 9000 display. Very good. The apps are installing right now, that's good. There's two things I really want to test. Obviously the camera system. And again, I'll be doing a future tech video log that goes really in depth with it. I'll compare it to even like actual DSLRs like from Canon. I'm gonna go really in depth with that. But for now, we can just do a couple things and have fun. So I wanna do that, but I also wanna take a listen to the speaker system. Let's listen to how good this thing is. Now, because of, I just realized none of my music is gonna be on here because my music wasn't on the cloud. So I'm pretty sure none of my copyright-free music is... Oh, I just did a thing, stop. I have no way to actually play my music on here right now, but that is okay, because hopefully we can just play a little snippet of something and not get a slap on the wrist. Yeah. The search button's not working. The whole thing is frozen. Hooray, we broke it already. Let's do their new album, 3. Stupid prompts, get out of here. This is the shit I was talking about earlier. Come on. I'm probably gonna rant about you too in a future video. All right, The Forge. Stupid, it's popping up again, go! Oh yeah, you're gonna get ranted about in a future video. Oh yeah. Yeah, oh you son of a bitch, go away. Why do you keep coming up? That sounds pretty freaking good though, and you're hearing way lower fidelity than what I'm hearing. Wow. Let's just have a watch. For sound purposes,
hey, can I ask you something?
Our newest trailer.
Have you ever been like so obscenely enthused? Let you know. I know exactly.
Sounds pretty good.
How you feel, and some little bit of what we.
Looks good in landscape. It just column boxes it so the screen doesn't size up and get cut off in the corners. I'm sure certain apps will let you zoom that in though. I don't know if you can do. Oh shit! Oh shit! You can do that out here. I didn't even know that. Oh, that's cool. It's kind of pointless. I mean, it looks cool, but you're gonna be cropping a lot off, but at least it lets you do that. That's pretty sweet. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna lie. Our logo in the corner there, that looks pretty baller. It just lines up really nice. That is, shit, that color is great. Holy balls. There, full screen Ken action. Okay, I have never set up an Animoji? That's what it is? I've never set up an Animoji before, but I am already blown away by how accurately this thing is freaking tracking my face. Let's see, I'm pretty white, so I could probably be gray. Let's see, that's about right. Maybe kind of like that. I'm kind of like that, actually. You know, that makes sense. Mouth, I think I'm good with my mouth. I have a good mouth. And now it looks like I can animate myself or choose from one of these preset stickers. That is pretty sweet. So the big upgrade is with the camera system. We have the front-facing camera and the 3 cameras on the back. We have the wide, the normal, and the telephoto option. I think they call it ultra-wide or something like that. So we essentially have 1x zoom, half, and double. Now we're stuck down here in this dusty old lair. Let's break outside and have some fun. Hopefully the guards won't hate me for it. Let's go. All right, I escaped the lair. Let's bust open the camera and have some fun. Okay, so it's really not dark enough to do a night mode test right now, but maybe I'll do one in a bit. But yes, we have the ultra wide option there, the normal option, and the telephoto option. So all 3 camera lenses are working there. And the nice little zoom animation there, that's pretty cool. It's probably even smoother when I'm not capturing this in real time. So that's pretty sweet. We have that functionality there. So now I'm gonna switch to something, oh my gosh, that like I never freaking do. I'm gonna take a selfie. Like, I am not a selfie guy. I don't know how you guys do it. This is really painful for me, but I'm gonna do it for science. So let's see, we have the portrait mode, which I did not have on my iPhone 7, so this is kind of cool. Let's find a good angle here maybe. Okay, so as you can see, it's simulating that depth of field back there now. So if I took a photo, you'll see that it's simulating that bokeh in the background, and if I go to edit it, and while the mosquitoes are trying to eat me alive, son of a bitch, that hurts. Stupid mosquitoes, shit. Okay, so I can adjust the f-stop here. I can open up the aperture, make that bokeh bigger, or shrink down the aperture, close it down, make the bokeh smaller. There's other things we can do as well. The new effect is the high key mono, and as you can see, it looks like a piece of shit. But that's also because we're not in the greatest lighting conditions right now. I'm moving around in the live preview, but if I actually take a photo, I bet it will look better. Let's try it. Oh yes, that's gonna be my new album cover. Ooh, that was painful, taking those selfies. Man, how do you do it? Oh my gosh, how do you guys do this stuff? Wow. Okay, so I've been enjoying the iPhone, I almost said 10, but it's an 11 Pro quite a bit. I had my first full day with it, just actually testing it all out, and man, Face ID is so fast on this thing. I really like using it. We'll see if I continue like using it. I took some more pictures. You can take a look at them yourself and judge them yourself. And the new video stabilization is really good too. So overall, this thing is kicking butt, but we have a little more to take a look at. You know, oh man, I probably should have been back to the lair by now. The guards probably, shit. Why do you shoot me? You can't take me back, you kill me. Oh man, the guards are after me again. You can't shoot me! Okay, sorry guys. Let me just take care of this and then we'll be right back there. All right. So maybe you picked up on this by now, but just in case, this is not really a review. It's my unboxing, setup, and first impressions. Because everybody and their hamster has their own freaking opinions. So I'm not gonna say, yeah, it's the best phone in the world. It's a good phone to me. I really like it so far. 10 out of 10, it's great. But that doesn't mean it's gonna be great for you. So I'm not saying you have to love the iPhone, but I'm saying definitely give it a shot. But yeah, if you have one, let me know what you think of it. Even if you don't have one, let me know what you think about it. I just wanna know your viewpoints. That's pretty much it. And next week we'll do the camera comparison, so tune in for that. That's gonna be a lot of fun. Until then, catch the crazy and pass it on.